Now that we had a look at what this course offers, let me explain to you how you get the most out of it. Of course, you should watch the videos, go through the lectures, and I do my best there to explain how Angular works, why it works like this, and how you use the different features together. But besides the lectures, I got a couple of assignments in this course, practices, exercises, and I urge you to do these exercises. I designed them to be challenging but doable, and these assignments allow you to check if you understood a certain concept and to really practice it and get more comfortable using it. Well, besides the assignments, we're going to build a whole course project, and I can only invite you to build this project with me and also sometimes pause the video and build a feature we're about to implement together on your own first. This really is a great exercise too, and it might also be very interesting for you to expand this course project beyond the things we built here to add new features to it. Well, and if you're stuck somewhere or if something is unclear, there is the Q&A section, and I'm very happy to help you there and answer any questions you might have related to this course. However, you will learn even more if you not only ask, but only if you answer. Dig through the Q&A section and try to help other students too. Why? Because by answering, you are really challenged to think about a problem and to come up with a solution. And it doesn't really matter if that is then the best possible solution. If there is a better one, someone else is going to correct you, and then you learn again. But by thinking about it in the first place, you really go through the concepts you learned and you apply them to a real problem. So that is how you will learn the most. And besides that, how strange it might sound, the official documentation and Google is your friend, especially if you get some strange error messages. Simply Google for it, and not because I'm too lazy to help you, I will help you, but because it's so much faster than waiting for my reply or for the reply of someone else. Most of the error messages were encountered by other people before too, so chances are great that you get an answer by simply searching for them. And by following these advices, you should learn a lot about Angular in this course.